How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone speaker is too low, then let's go ahead and fix this issue. Firstly, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Accessibility. Under Physical and Motor, tap on Touch. Here you will see the option for Call Audio Routing. Tap on that and make sure the automatic option is selected. Go back and now in Accessibility itself, under Hearing, tap on the Hearing Devices option and make sure the toggle button for hearing aid compatibility is toggled off too. Now, go back to Settings homepage and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, tap on the Headphone Safety option under Headphone Audio and make sure the toggle button for Reduce Loud Audio is toggled off. Also, check the ringer button on the left side of your iPhone. Make sure the phone is not in silent mode. If you can see red background behind the button, then the phone is in silent mode, so go ahead and remove it from silent mode. Also, open Control Center and make sure the volume is set to full and not set to medium or low. Lastly, make sure your phone case and screen protectors are not blocking your speakers. If yes, then remove them and also make sure that the speakers does not have any dirt or debris in them. Sometimes dirt and debris blocks the speaker, leading to low volume, so clean the speakers if there are any dirt or debris, and this is how you can fix your iPhone if the volume is too low. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.